Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update that CCMT has been released their schedule. So earlier I told you that CCMT has been released their portal for 2024. Now when you will go to the official website of ccmt.admission.nic.in, here you can see this is, if any student don't know about this one, then I am going to tell you. Then this is the centralized counseling for MTech, M Architect, M Planning admissions. Okay, so this portal is dedicated for admission in e-counseling service for session 2024. So here you can see this is on the basis of their GATE score of the year 2022, 2023 and 2024 in NITs, IIEST, Shibpur and some triple ITs and CFTIs. Now this was the earlier information. Now today they released, you can see updated on the 10 o'clock and 8 a.m. on 22nd May they updated counseling schedule. When you will click here, it's also showing you the online registration fee payment, and online fee will start from the 24th May. So when you will click on this one, this schedule, counseling schedule will be open, and here is the counseling schedule. So let's have a discussion. So regular rounds of CCMT, this is for the regular round of CCMT phase 1. So starts of online registration, it will start from when? Fee payment and online registration will start from the Friday 24th May 10 a.m. Okay, and last date for registration unlocking by the candidate will be 7th June 2024 Friday. So be careful with the dates. It will start from the upcoming Friday 24th, okay, and then it will be ended on the 7th June, again is the Friday. When I will come to the next thing, here you can see last date for online registration and fees payment by UPI, debit card, credit card, net banking will be again the same 7th June. So you need to pay the fees also. If a student don't know that what is the fees, how to approach, so you can just see the CCMT admission portal. This portal is already available. About this portal, I already gave you the information just a few days ago. Now here when I will come to the next thing, last date for resolution of issues related to the fee payment will be 10th June. If you will face any difficulty, okay, by doing the fees payment, if you will face any difficulty, so the last date will be 10th June. So last date of online choice filling and locking of choices by the candidate will be again Monday 10th June. So what you need to do, you need to just fill your choices, you need to fill the form, you need to fill your choices, and then you need to lock your choices also. Otherwise, it will not be submitted. Okay, the next is automatic locking of saved choices if choices not logged by the candidate. If you forgot to log this one, then it will be automatically logged on by the last date is 10th June. Okay, so before 10th June, you are having option that if you want to change your choices, so you can just change it. Now, announcement of round 1 seat allotment will be on the Wednesday 12th June 2024. Round 1 seat allotment will be on the Wednesday. If I will talk about the payment of seat acceptance, that is SAF, document uploading online specifying willingness, freeze, plot slide. About this also I give you the detailed information that you will go for the freeze, plot or slide also, and withdrawal. So this will be Wednesday 12th June. It will start from the Wednesday 12th June and it will end on the 18th June 2024 Tuesday. Okay, this is for the payment of seat acceptance fee. Means if you want to accept your allotment after the round 1 result, if you want to accept your offers, then you can just freeze it. You are having the option for float, you are having the option for slide also. So it will start from the 12th June, last date will be 18th June. Here the next is online document verification by officers. So this is again 12th June. The online documentation will be again allotted institute. If you will go to the allotted institute, then it will start the document verification from the 12th June. Deadline for the online document verification by officers, it will be Wednesday 19 June. Okay, last date for resolution of any queries raised during online document verification will be 20th June. So you need to be careful about the dates, and you can just download this PDF. When you will open the CCMT portal, you guys can easily download this information also. Okay, then the payment of seat acceptance fees, here you are having option. This will be, so every detail is mentioned here. Now this was when I was talking about, this was about the first round. Then the announcement for the round 2 is Monday 24th June. So as I told you earlier also, we are having 3 rounds in CCMT, 3 regular rounds. So the round 1 will start and it will end on the 20th June. Round 2 will start on the 24th June. You can see this is the detail for the round 2. It will end on the 28th June. And then announcement of the round 3 seat allotment. It will start from the 1st July. Okay, so you can see all these 3 rounds are there and it will ended on the 10th July. So you can see all the updates are available at the official CCMT portal. Here is the portal. You can see when you will go to this one, you can check it out. Even you can check each and every detail also, ki which institutions are available, what you want to choose, how you need to freeze, how you need to float, how you need to slide. Every information is available here, dear students. All right. So I hope this information will help you. So just go there. Be careful. It will start from the 24th, upcoming 24th May. Okay. So you need to be very much careful when you will fill your choices. All right, guys. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.